Okay, so just for interest sake, I bought my cousin electric fence energizer. So it's got a 24-volt supply there, and it drops to PWM, then goes to a regulator which charges the battery, and then the energizer is applied from the load. So the energizer siren triggers a relay that goes through a diode and into that battery pack there. That's a 4S 2 pair. So that's got a boost regulator and a power supply, and that powers that big horn over there. And it's also connected to the cameras. So I'll swap that screen that didn't have stock, they only had the one with little dots, fitted legs for it, so everything works off battery. If you want to arm the siren, you press the remote and then it's armed. So I'm not going to make a hell of a lot of noise, but believe me, that battery pack makes that thing very, 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 very loud. So anything that is out of order, so let me maar plug the camera out. And the whole neighborhood